Hi, so we're back with the first of actually 24 videos in rune meanings and how to use a rune meaning, the meanings of the runes in a reading. Now, we're going to go ahead and start from the beginning because the beginning is a very good place to start. We're going to start with fehu. Now, if you'll get a shot of fehu down here, this is fehu. It's the first rune of the first et. Ets are sections of, groups of 8. There are 3 groups of 8 stones. The first is phrase, et. Fehu, its meaning is relatively simple and relatively straightforward. Fehu is all about money. Not necessarily money as the worth of things. Fehu is, or was considered rather, cattle. It's expendable wealth. It's also the value of said wealth. Back in the times when the runes were the language and means of communication, fehu was simply the word for cattle. Now, cattle nowadays is everything from money to green money to friendships. Friendships have value. Fehu talks about value. Now, friendships and money and wealth, a partnership that brings you things. In a positive aspect, as I said before, if you've been watching these videos, all of the runes have positive and negative aspects. Some people like to use the negative aspects when they pull the stone or the rune upside down, which is called widdershins, or I'm sorry, not widdershins, markstave. Markstave is when you pull a rune upside down. Now, I have a tendency to look at the stones around it in a reading and decide whether it's a positive or a negative, or just kind of the feeling I get off the stone when I pick it up and set it down in the reading. Fehu is money, fehu is cattle, fehu is expendable wealth, fehu is the value of things. If you find that it's speaking in negative terms, it's usually talking something about the fact that you're putting more effort in than you're gaining benefit out. If it's talking about a positive, if it's in a past position, you were in a good place and that's gone away, and you need to, or you want to find that again. So to sum up, basically, fehu is all about value in your life, whether that be through money or through partnerships or through scenarios that bring you out on top. Fehu is all about the wealth of things around you. When it comes up in a reading, if it feels negative, there's usually somebody not getting the raw end of the deal. We'll come back with a couple more runes and a couple more videos, but until then, Odin be with you.